So I do, yeah, I do the transverse and the peritoneum, and I do a horizontal mattress stitch. And what I do is I just come through on one side.
I heard her singing.
Then she said,
And you try to just not go all the way through.
That's a horizontal mattress right there, right?
Yeah.
How many stitches do you put in hula?
I'm gonna go.
For this,
I gotta feed him then.
I'm just gonna do one horizontal mattress stitch. And then what I do when I close the incision, I also include the omentum in that closure. So it's kind of like a double protection.
Okay.
And don't also too, remember that she went through the able mason. So there's going to be a slight inflammatory response where she stuck the needle through. And since it's going to be up against the peritoneum, the inside lining of the abdominal cavity, that's going to cause a little scar tissue, we hope, a little bit, so that's going to prevent things from moving around. I used to do it where I anchored it to the belly wall, down by the umbilicus, and then I'd send my technician out in 10 days, and she would look at it and see if it was infected or not, and that would be fine. Then she'd go out in 30 days and take out the big sutures. But we used Vetafilm. Number, I used to use 3. Oh, big.
Now when you suture this back up, do the cows, will they sit and rub on fences and stuff as it's healing?
Not usually, no.
No? They don't mess with it? No?
No. Usually, they don't want to mess with it.
Don't put a cone on them like you do for dogs. Cone shame.
And this is really considered when you spay a dog, it's up to $250.
Like my
this is $45 surgery.
Let me get my.
Plus the farm
Sorry.
cost. So it's, a little over $60. That's not bad.
That's it, just to go into that big cow?
I used to charge $75 in the VA surgery. That includes the farm call, but that was so many years ago. We still had
the
land.
farm call?
Yeah, that was, we still had lanterns.
You probably weren't coming from 50 miles away.
Oh, I know, I've been up to Marengo many times.
Sorry, our prices have changed a little bit. So when I close my incision, I do the peritoneum, the transversus, and the internal abdominal oblique.
And all in one incorporated.
And I include the omentum with that. And then I do the external in a separate layer, and then the skin. So it's a 3-layer closure.
And unlike if you're doing a spay on a dog where everything's going to be down on the ventral area, we're doing it on the side, so the pressure's not as bad as far as the guts hanging, trying to push out.
Do the sutures just disintegrate within the body, or what?
The sutures that she's using inside, yes, will dissolve. That's gut.
It's cat gut.
Literally.
It's actually chromate gut.
The ones she does on the outside, though, those you'll
Well, the ones that are going to be through the skin, I don't know if she's going to use, I don't know if she's going to have the owner take them out or not.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It doesn't hurt them, they can leave them in. I come back a year later, and the string's just hanging from their side.
Yeah.
So you're 40 miles away? Yeah, see, I used to travel 160 miles.
50 from my house, so I think it's like...
I'm not kidding. Mine was, the furthest I think I traveled was 35 miles.
Where'd you practice?
Down by Centralia.
Okay. I have a friend that's down in Greenbelt.
Greenbelt? Cool.
And then I have another friend that's in Taylorville.
They're both in mixed practice?
Yes, they are.
I see how you're doing this now. You're really not reaching in that far to anchor it to the
No, it depends on the type of cow it is, but I got a really good pylorapexy. So, and the fat, everything just looks good job. But I have to go pretty far.
Yeah, you can see around their
So you're right, everyone you're doing right now, including the apple mason to the inside.
Get her a tissue.
So the abomasum I was going to say,
Right. And now you're just closing the gut.
And I usually include the sent them about halfway up. You know how
I
far?
saw you were doing it,
Yeah. Basically walk so.
Down and they're sick enough, they'll just go.
Yeah.
Mine's almost
You're doing
here.
fine, sweetie.
I watched it.
But it just came up good for like in the re-up or whatever they call that.
Do you
She
know
just acted like this, like she lifted her head.
That's not
Yeah,
weak.
she was